Hey little scholars, today we are going to learn phonics. Today we are going to learn how to spell. Are you ready? Let's go! The first word is cat. Can you say cat? Cat is spelled C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Say cat. Rat. R-A-T, rat. Say r-a-t, rat. R-A-T, rat. Rat is spelled R-A-T, rat. Bat. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Ba-at, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-at. We sound it out. B-at, bat. Mat. Mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Mat is spelled M-A-T, mat. We sound it out. M-A-T. M-A-T, mat. Hat. Say hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. We spell hat like this. H-A-T, hat. Hat. Van. Van. V-A-N, van. Van. V-A-N, van. Van. V-A-N, van. We sound it out and we say v-a-n. And then we put it together. V-a-n. Van. Van. Ham. H-A-M, ham. Ham. H-A-M, ham. We spell ham like this. H-A-M, ham. We put it together and we get the word ham. H-A-M, ham. Can. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Like we can do it. Yes, we can. C-A-N, can. K-A-N. K-an. Can. C-A-N. Can. Air. Like the air. I have two airs. Air. One air, two airs. Air is spelled E-A-R. E-A-R. Air. E-A-R. I have two eyes. E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. I is spelled E-Y-E-I. Car. Car. C-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. K-A-R. K-A-R. We put it together and we get car. C-A-R. Car. Dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is spelled D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun is spelled S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Pig. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G spells pig. Say pig. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Run. R-U-N. Run. R-U-N. Run. Run. R-U-N. Run. Bed. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. Bed. Bed is spelled B-E-D. Bed. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Pan is spelled P-A-N. Pan. You can sound it out. The letter P says P, P, P. A says ah, ah. And the N says N. So put it together, you get P, A, N. Pan. P, A, N. Pan. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Like the sun is hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Hot. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Big. B-I-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Like mommy, mom. M-O-M. Mom. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. dad. D-A-D, dad. D-A-D-D, dad. D-A-D, dad. Sat. S-A-T, sat. We spell sat like this. S-A-T, sat. Now can you say s-a-t? S-a-t. We put it together and we say sat. S-A-T, sat. U. Y-O-U spells you. Y-O-U. U is spelled Y-O-U. U. Fun. F-U-N, fun. Like fun. F-U-N, fun. Fun is spelled F-U-N, fun. See is spelled S-E-E, like I see you. S-E-E, see. S-E-E spelled see. S-E-E, see. All. A-L-L, all. Like all of us are happy. A-L-L spells all. A-L-L spells all. All. It was so much fun learning phonics and learning how to spell with you little scholars today. Until next time, bye-bye, goodbye, goodbye. I'll see you soon. We'll see you soon.